Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear search history on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to an app called YouTube. This works on both iPhone and Android. Next, we click with you in the upper right corner on your profile. Then click Manage your Google account. We wait for a little loading to take place. There's Home, Info. We click Data and Privacy. Scroll down. We're gonna go to Settings. Click YouTube History. The first thing we have to click on is right here. Here we can choose how you want your YouTube history deleted. 36 months, 18 months, or 3 months. I choose 18 months. After that, we click Exit. Click Manage History. This is where we get our YouTube history. You and I click Delete, and it's deleted. Click Delete again. This deletes our search and browsing history. Once again, click Delete. We can also choose for which period we want to delete this history. Click Delete. Here we select for today and also for all time. Click and confirm. After that, we were able to delete the history and clear the search on YouTube. If you liked and helped this video, you can give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.